Let's make some sourdough discard cinnamon donuts. So today we're making sourdough discard cinnamon bites, and you're gonna need 125 grams of discard, 57 grams of unsalted butter, 1 large egg yolk, 50 grams of sugar, 400 grams of all-purpose flour. You're gonna want 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 5 grams of salt. What we're gonna do is mix all our wet ingredients together. My milk's still a little bit warm, so we need to let that cool down for a minute. So let's put our milk, our egg yolk, our warm butter, and we do want to add our sugar as well this time. So our granulated sugar, and we'll mix them together. Now that our sugar is dissolved in, you want to add 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Then add your 5 grams of salt. And then add your flour. So now your mixture is mixed together. You want it so it pulls away from the sides. What I'm going to do now is lightly flour my surface. And I'm going to knead it. Let's bring this out. So now that my dough has gone into a nice ball shape, I'm going to just lightly grease around the edges. Now that it's greased, put your dough in the bowl and cover for about an hour to an hour and a half. Self a nice cover and just let that sit for an hour and a half. So now that your dough has doubled in size, we're gonna transfer it onto the table. Let's just cut this into sections. What I'm going to do is roll this out. I'm going to cut into equal chunks, make them into little balls, and then put them on a baking tray. So now I've got my balls on a baking tray. I'm going to leave these for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, just to set, and then I'm going to bake them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now, I'm going to show you the inside because they're absolutely divine. They're just fluffy. They're just like normal donuts you get from the fun fair or something like that. They're so good. If you haven't made these, make them because they're a must. I'm probably going to be eating these by tomorrow. They're going to be all gone. They're lovely.